is going on, guys? I am headed to the shop to take care of a couple things, but I wanted to make this video to drop a little challenge for you guys. We're about 10,000 subscribers away from the 100K mark. Definitely never imagined we would be there. But guys, my birthday is coming up July 18th, a little over a month away. And I want to challenge you guys. Share this with everybody you know. If you're in barber school, go get your friends at barber school to come and subscribe to my channel. If you're in the barbershop, get your guys in the barbershop to subscribe to my channel. Tell your family. I don't really care who it is. No, guys, obviously I would love for it to be barbers that could benefit from subscribing to my channel. But tell every barber that you know, go share this where you can. And if I hit 100K by my birthday, guys, I'm gonna dye my entire head either Tomb45 green or Klutch green, which I've had it before a long time ago, but I saw somebody else on YouTube that had kind of issued that challenge and I thought it was cool. And I am challenging you guys, go put it out there, share it with whoever you can. If you guys can get that done, I will dye my entire head lime green. But enough about that, guys. Let's head up to the shop. I got a couple things to show you, a couple things to put together. So let's get to it. All right, guys, we are up at the shop. Obviously, first thing that we got, guys, is this wild cherry Pepsi. No, I'm just playing. Had to give me a drink before we got started. All right. Anyway, first thing that we actually have, guys, this is a door draft stopper. I don't know if you guys can see at the very bottom over there, but we got like this big of a gap at the bottom of the door, so I can hear all the music. Right now when I'm talking, you guys can't hear it, but there have been times while I'm recording that you guys can hear a lot of the noise. And also that door is hollow, so my next project is to find something to kind of insulate the back of the door, or worst case, I may have to put like a solid door up there so that it doesn't have all that noise coming through from the other side. But anyway, I'm not gonna bore you guys with putting this on, but it did just come in. We're gonna put it on and try to help with the noise. Now the next thing, guys, I'm super excited about, it is a DJI gimbal for my phone. You guys know I'm doing a lot more of this vlog style content. A lot of you guys have told me that you enjoy it, so I'm gonna plan on doing a lot more, especially when we go to classes or if I go to any shows or anything like that. We're definitely gonna vlog it, and this is gonna give us some more steady footage. So I'm gonna throw this phone on a tripod so you guys can watch. We'll go ahead and open this up, figure it out. We'll throw the phone on here and test this thing out. Okay, so this is the DJI Osmo Mobile 6. You guys can see it is a phone stabilizer. So just gonna open it up real quick and check it out. This is not a full unboxing. It says it has 3-axis stabilization, which means it has 3 different parts that will move to keep the phone where you want. Quick launch, I think most of these have an app that you guys can connect to your phone. So say I like lock it on somebody's face, then when I move the camera, it will keep the phone looking at the face. So we'll have to test that out. Portable and foldable, super nice. Like I said, I'm gonna be taking it on the road with me. Active Track 5.0, so that's gonna be what I just talked about. You'll be able to actually track something and it will make sure that it follows around and keeps it in the frame. Easy tutorials and one-tap editing. I guess it has its own editing software, which we won't need. And it has a built-in extension rod, so kind of for selfie mode, we can extend it out. So anyway, here's a little bit of instructions on the front. I pretty much already know how it works, but I had one a long time ago. You got a charging cord, USB-C, little instruction manual, warranty manual, and that's it. I will say, guys, I just remembered, since all this is loose in there, I did buy one used on Amazon. It was like 30 bucks off. I didn't really care. I knew if it was sold by Amazon, I could return it, so I knew I was safe. So here we are. So here's a little tripod for the bottom. Yeah, you guys see a little rip in the packaging, but it's all good. Hopefully it's not returned because it's junk, but here is the little phone mount. And I don't know what these are, some type of little rubber grip. We'll check that out in a second. So go ahead and screw the tripod in. I might not leave this on there. It depends on if I use it for a tripod. I guess you can fold it up like that. You guys can hold it still by the handle. And it's actually dead, so I'm gonna charge it real quick and we'll get back to setting it up. All right, guys, so real quick, while that charges, I'm gonna go ahead and clean my beard up, and I'm actually recording this for a tutorial on how to do your own beard. I know I don't have the craziest big beard, but I'm gonna show you how I do mine and kind of show how that applies to if you wanna do yours at home. So anyway, we will knock my beard out real quick, and we'll get back to the DJI. Box out of the way, we just open it up. Here is the phone thing. Oh man, it magnets. That is super sweet. Let's go ahead and take this phone off and we'll test it out. All right, so it's finding it. There we go. Now it has it up and down. I want it to be sideways. I don't know what I'm doing here. I guess that's why there's an instruction manual. So push this ×2. Ooh, yeah, there we go. All right, so you guys can see it is keeping it stable. Oh, not really turning with me. I gotta figure this thing out. Can we lock it? I think I have to get the app to lock it, but you guys can see super smooth footage. I can make it go up and down however I want. Oh yeah, now I remember how to use it. So basically you turn your wrist, it's gonna turn it whichever way that I want, so I can go past where I'm looking, go back, but you guys see, come on back, come back, come back, come back. All right guys, so you can see those super, man, I gotta figure that one out. We may have to use the app to track so it'll stay on my face. But you guys can see super smooth footage when we turn, a little bit slow, but yeah, super smooth. Let's take it out here and test it out in the shop. Do a little cinematic reel for you guys. Editor, do your thing. For this DJI, I'm gonna have to practice with it a little bit. It's a little bit complicated. You guys see this big box right here? You guys heard me talk about putting a, where am I at? Cabinet right here. That's what's in the box. We're gonna take this box out, open it up, and we will build this cabinet real quick. I'm not gonna show you guys the whole thing. We might just time-lapse it real quick, and we can fill it up with some stuff. All right guys, now before we move the cabinet in, I gotta move this stuff out of the way. I'm not gonna put the shelves in yet because it'll be even heavier. We'll move this out of the way real quick. We'll put the cabinet in place and we'll start stocking the shelves. All right guys, so that is pretty much it. You can see down at the bottom, these are everything that I've already unboxed. A couple of TPOB things. Flex, Saber, Skin, Instinct from Gamma. Here's the Gold Snap FX and the FX3 set, the Low Pros. The Westech blade is right there. I'm working on that right now. Got a spot for the Barber Sonic right here. I don't know what I'll put in here, but I got a little bit of storage. This is basically clipper parts, foil replacements, replacement blades. You see this thing overflowing, guys, charging docks and cords. These are all my guards that I have, and combs and brushes and things like that. And you see on the top shelf, we have my level 3 gloves, neck strips. This product right here is Marmara Space Wax that I used to use. Now we got the Tomb Clay. This is level 3 pomade, Victory Crown texture spray, level 3 hairspray, a couple aftershave cologne, different scents. We do have the Tomb45 clay here, not for sale, but for me to use. Pure powder, some shave gel, and we got the limited edition blue shave gel in the back. It's not for sale. But you guys can see plenty of room for storage. Nice little dent here on the front. Now guys, my plan is to sticker bomb this. So if you guys have stickers that you need to send me, if you have your own brand or your own shop or anything like that, we will load this thing up with stickers, so send them my way. All right guys, that is it for the video. Gotta clean up these boxes. I still got some stuff laying around. We got the chairs back in place. The cabinet is ready. I put the old station right here. I might have to put a little plant or something in the, on top of there right in the window. It's the perfect spot for it. Anyway guys, I got lots of content coming. Hope you guys enjoy this vlog content. We got the, where is it at? Right there, the Supreme Trimmers. I got the Westech blade on the Senior ready to go to test it out for you guys. We got the new Psycho blade and trimmer from TPOB. And I'm sure I got more coming after that, guys. Like I said, we got a cabinet full of stuff to check out. So leave me a comment down below and let me know if you guys like this vlog style content. Basically, every time I'm up to something up here, I'll document it for you guys and let you know what is going on. So if you guys missed my last video, so click right here and check that video out.